Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're talking about one of the best ways to upgrade your outdoor space, a porch swing. Let's be honest, nothing says welcome home quite like a gently swaying seat on your front porch. Whether you're waving to neighbors, reading a book, or just soaking up the sunset, a porch swing is the ultimate invitation to slow down and relax. But how do you find the perfect swing for your space? First, think about style. There's something for everyone, from classic wooden bench swings to modern daybeds, and even hammock chairs for that boho vibe. If your porch can't support a hanging swing, no worries. Swings with stands can go just about anywhere. Next, consider materials. Teak is timeless and long-lasting, metal is sleek and low-maintenance, and options made from recycled plastic like poly lumber or synthetic wicker are super durable and eco-friendly. Just remember, quality hardware and weather-resistant materials are key for comfort and safety. But before you click that buy button, don't forget to measure your space, twice. Make sure you've got enough room to swing without bumping into anything, and always check your porch's support structure before you buy. Trust us, that's not a lesson you want to learn the hard way. And for the ultimate comfort, add some weather-resistant cushions, cup holders, or even a canopy. Accessories can turn a basic swing into your new favorite spot in the house. For a full, comprehensive guide on choosing the perfect porch swing, check out the link in the description below this video. Ready to start shopping? Visit patioproductions.com for expert advice and a huge selection of porch swings and hanging chairs. Thanks for watching, and here's to many years of swinging, swaying, and savoring the simple joys of porch life.